Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to see pending group invites on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your pending group invites on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your account as I've already logged it over here. And on this interface, after logging into your account, at the top left corner of the screen you can see a bunch of items available for us. Click on your username over here or hover over your username over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to view the groups option available for us. Click on the groups option, and when you land over here guys, you can see the current pending invites for your games and your pending invites for your groups. So we'll be viewing our group invites which are pending. So at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the pending invites for the groups over here, and all of the pending invites on your Steam account for your group will be over here, and you'll be able to view all of the pending invites from groups over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to see your pending group invites on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.